This is the first day the pool has been uncovered since you left. And here's the new archway. This is the little cabana area that he's gonna work on next with the little bathroom and shower area. There's our Apache girl. Spin around here and see this all framed out. I'm walk around here so you can see this. Got that big peak gone from up on the roof there, and that's really going to look good. That is really going to be nice.
Absolutely beautiful.
Big difference. That's it from the Walker residence.